Now 5.3, first one. Find the sum of the following APs: 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. So first one, AP is 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms, that is S10 you have to find out. So here A is equal to 2, D is equal to 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. S10 is equal to n by 2, that is 10 by 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So S10 is equal to 10 divided by 2, 2A, 2 into 2, 2 plus 9 into 5, 5, 2 into 2, 4, then 9 5s are 45. So 45 plus 4, that is 49, 5 into 49, okay, 9 5s are 45, then so 245 you will get, first one. Now second one also, second one, A is equal to negative 37, then negative 33, negative 29, like that. N is equal to 12 terms. So negative 37, negative 33, negative 29, S12 you are asked to find out. So what is A here? That is negative 37, and D is equal to negative 33 minus negative 37, that is negative 33 plus 37, that is equal to positive 4. So S12, that is S12, how will you get? 12 by 2, 2 into A, that is 2 into negative 37 plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1 into D, that is 4. So 12 by 2, 6, 37 into 2, 74, then 11 into 44, 11 into 4, 44. So 6 into 74 plus negative 74 plus 44, that is equal to negative 30, that is equal to negative 180 you will get. Now third one, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, then 100 terms. So series is 0.6, 1.7, then 2.8, like that it is 100 terms. S 100 you have to find out. So our A is equal to 0.6, D is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. So S100, how will you get? 100 divided by 2, 2 into A, that is 2 into 0.6 plus n minus 1, that is 100 minus 1 into 1.1. So 100 divided by 2, that is 50 into 0.6 into 2, 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. So 1.1, 99 into 1.1, so 110 plus 1.2, it will be 1, then 0, 1, 110.1, then multiply by 50, so it will be 5,505. That 50, I multiply this with 5 because 1 point it can be removed from that one. So 5,505 you will get. Okay. Now fourth one, 1 by 15, then 1 by 12, then 1 by 10, like that, up to 11 terms. Up to 11 terms, that is S11 you are asked to find out. So S11 you have to find out. What is A? A is equal to 1 by 15. What is D? 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So take LCM here. It will be 60, no? 12 and 15. 12 you can split as 4 into 3. Then 15 you can split as 5 into 3. 5 is common. The other will be 4 and 3. So 4 5s are 20. 20 into 3, 60x. LCM will be 60. So here it will come 5, here it will come 4. So 1 by 60 is the LCM. Okay, 1 by 60 is the LCM you are getting, or D is equal to 1 by 60. Okay, now find out S11. S11 will be equal to 11 by 2, 2A. 2 into A, that is 1 by 15, plus n minus 1, that 11 minus 1 into D. D is 1 by 60. So 11 by 2, that is equal to 5.5. 2 by 15, 10 into 1 by 60. So you can cancel that one. 6 it will come. So 5.5 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. By 15, otherwise take LCM. 15 and 6, LCM is 30 you will get. 30, then 2, here 5, So answer will be answer is 1.65. Then second one, you see, find the sums given below. So first and last term was given there, and you have to find out. Then using the second formula you can find out the sums. Okay, so second question, first one 7, then 10 and a half, then 14, like that 84. So our A is equal to 7, L is equal to last term is equal to 84, or AN is equal to 84. So D, what is D? That is 10 and a half minus 7. 10 and a half you can write as 21 by 2 minus 7. So take LCM, 14, 21 minus 14 by 2, 21 minus 14 is 7 by 2, that is 3 and a half you are getting. 7 by 2, D is equal to 7 by 2. So N will be, N you are asked to find out, N you are to find out, then find out the sums. Okay, so AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to 84 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into 7 by 2, or 84 minus 7, that is 77. 84 minus 7 equal to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. Cross multiply, 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to N minus 1. So it is 11 into 2, 22 is equal to N minus 1, or N is equal to 22 plus 1, 23 you will get. N you got. Now find out Sn. So Sn will be equal to N by 2, that is N is 23, 23 by 2. A plus L, our A is 7 and L is equal to 84. So 23 by 2, 7 plus 84, 91. So find out the answer. So 1046.5. Now third one, 34, 32, then 30, like that. 32, 30 up to 10. So here also the same way you have to find out. A is equal to 34 and our D is equal to 32 minus 34, that is equal to minus 2. Now our AN is equal to 10. First find out N. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 10 is equal to A, that is 34 plus N minus 1 into negative 2. So 34, that is 10 minus 34, that is negative 24, will be equal to N minus 1 into negative 2, or negative 24 by negative 2 is equal to N minus 1. or that is equal to 12. 12 is equal to n minus 1, or n is equal to 12 plus 1, that is equal to 13. Now n you got 13, so s 13 you have to find out. So 13 divided by 2, a plus l. A is 34 and our l is 10. So 13 by 2 into 44. 34 plus 10, 44. Now cancel that one. 22. 13 into 22. Okay. So 22, 13. So it will be 280, 286. Okay, 286 you will get. Now fourth one, you see, negative 5, then negative 8, negative 11, like that, negative 230. So our a is equal to negative 5, d is equal to negative 3 negative 8 minus negative of negative 5, that is equal to negative 3. An is equal to negative 230. N find out first. That is 230. Negative 230 is equal to negative 5 plus n minus 1 into negative 3, or negative 230 plus 5 will be equal to n minus 1 into negative 3, or negative 225 equal to n minus 1 into negative 3 equal to n minus 1. So negative, negative, positive. So 7, 75 is equal to n minus 1, or n is equal to 76. 75 plus 1, 76. Now yes, 76 you have to find out. So 76 divided by 2, a, that is negative 4, negative 5 plus negative 230. So 76 by 2 into negative 235. So 76 you can cut 38. Negative 235 into 38. So you are getting negative 8930.